Welcome to Apple Mac Tamil channel. Fixes for computer turns on but no display on monitor error. Wondering what to do if the monitor is not displaying anything? Find out the solutions below that are explained in an orderly manner. First, we will look at the general tips followed by advanced methods. Method 1. General tips. As a layman, you can start working with the simpler solutions given below. In this way, you can get rid of the faults that have caused the computer turns on. Step 1. Check if you have turned on your monitor well. To say, you might be too groggy in the morning and you forgot to switch your computer on. So, before you jump over to a complicated conclusion, find out if the system is switched on. Check the power light. Unplug your power adapter and plug it back to your power source. It might work with a simple timely fix. Or else, it would have nonetheless been a waste of time had you taken the system to a repair shop only to learn that you had not turned on your PC in the first place. Step 2. Check if your monitor is completely turned off. Sometimes, it is either in standby or in a sleep mode, and it is not completely turned on, thus causing the problems. Even the hibernate mode in your PC might be the cause. Step 3. Repeat. Connect your monitor to the system. If there is a poor connection between your system and your monitor, you might find that even though you have turned your computer on but there is no display on the monitor. Hold and press the power button until your computer is completely turned off. Remove the video cable that connects the system to the monitor. Check the ports of the system and the monitor thoroughly. Try to find out if your video cable is damaged. If not, then plug in the connecting cable back to the ports and see if it boots normally. Step 4. Disconnect your mouse, printer, and scanner from the system. The black screen might also be due to the problem with your peripheral devices. Let us see what you can do to remove this kind of trouble. Hold the power button to allow your system to turn off. Remove all the other connections and then turn on the system again. If your system works fine, then it must have been the error of one of those peripherals. Uninstall those devices from your system and reinstall them into your system again. Step 5. Verify if the power voltage switch is connected properly. If there is an error with the input voltage, then your computer might turn on but there would be no display. An improper supply voltage could prevent your computer from starting properly. You might have to correct it if this is not working properly. If these few fixes do not reboot your computer, you can try the below rectification measures then, one after the other, to fix the black screen problem. Method 2. Reinstall your RAM once again. If there is an improper connection between the motherboard and the RAM, then it can also lead to the problem of the computer turning on but no display on the monitor. In this situation, you need to reinstall the RAM. Follow the below steps to do so. Step 1. Press and hold the power switch to completely switch off your system. Step 2. Disconnect the AC power cord from the power supply. Open the computer case. Step 3. Detach the RAM from the memory slot of your motherboard. Step 4. After you have given the contacts a good clean with the eraser, take a cloth and keep wiping the contacts until it feels smooth, or once you are convinced that there are no traces of eraser filings left. This is a step that is extremely important to get right. You must make sure that all the eraser filings or any eraser deposits have been cleaned off properly. Give the RAM a blow with compressed air to make sure there are no bits of debris or dust left on the contacts or under the heat spreaders. Step 5. Put back the RAM into the slot. Step 6. Now connect the AC power cord to the power supply and turn on your computer. Method 3. Set your BIOS settings to default. Reset the BIOS to factory settings, as an improper BIOS setting can be the cause behind the PC turns on but no display error. Follow the below process to make the change. Step 1. Hold and press the power button until it is completely turned off. Step 2. Remove the AC power cord from the power supply and then open the system's case. Step 3. Remove the CMOS battery, using a non-conductive screwdriver from the motherboard. Step 4. After 5 minutes, reinstall the battery back. Step 5. Connect the AC power cord and then turn on your system again.